Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning into this video. So today I am going to be doing the unboxing of the Beats by Dre Fit Pro, or the Beats Fit Pro, whatever you want to call it. I still call it Beats by Dre, even though Apple pretty much took it over. So I have the lavender. They do come in 4 other different colors. Again, I have the lavender or purple, if you want to call it. They do have black, white, and they do have like a stone gray. So purple is my favorite color, so of course I had to go for the lavender ones. So this is pretty much the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. That's what it looks like. And this is just like some instructions. So these are the Beats Fit Pro, and underneath it does come with the USB-C cord, and it also comes in with some, if you feel like you need to change the ears on them, they do have extras in different sizes. And this is the USB-C cord. So one thing I will say, I am in love with the color, of course. It do feel, if I'm gonna be honest, it do feel a little cheap. So what I probably most likely will do is buy a case for this, just to, sometimes like cases just make stuff feel real secure. So I'm definitely gonna get a case for this. So when you open it, this is what they look like. And they got the little wing tip on them. And they also, I love that they are magnetic and just pop right in this charging case. Right here is where you will put the USB-C cord. So what I'm going to do is pair it up to my phone and just see what journey it takes me on. Please ignore my table because I just got finished doing makeup. But so I'm going to do the air tip fit test. So I'm going to put these in my ear. So right now it's playing music in my ear. Okay, so it says the left one is incorrectly, or it's a good seal. So I'm going to just adjust this one, and then we're going to try it again. Okay, so it's still saying it's an issue, so let me just try it again. So I'm not sure what's going on. Finally, we got both of them good. So, and then you can put on the noise cancellation. You can turn it off, or you can make it transparency. Let me see. Hello, hello, hello. So it's like I can rarely hear what's going on in my background. So I think what I would do is just keep it on transparent, because I like transparent better, the way I'm hearing it in my ear. So I'm liking how it's fitting. I can hear the music playing from my cell phone in my ear. So it sounds really, really, really good. And one thing about this, the charger, if you have one of the up-to-date phones, my phone is a 11 Pro. So the the wall charger would definitely fit this. So you can just put it in and be able to charge on this device. You cannot use the Apple cord that you would plug your phone in, but you can use the adapter to plug this in to charge your earbuds. But I like it. Everything sounds really, really good in my ear. I love it. So these retail for, I'm gonna just round it up, $200. But plus the tax, for me it came up to $211, $212, something like that. And that was including the tax. And you get 3 months free of Apple TV, Apple Music, and it's another one. Apple TV, Apple Music. It's another one, but I just cannot think of it. But this one, it says it has the little barcode in here, and this is for the 3 months free music. But yeah, I'm not sure the other one, but I'll definitely put it in the description box below. But I'm just like having a brain fart right now. And these are just like the directions that help you set up your device, your AirPods. Why do you call them AirPods? The Fit Pros. So just tell you all the directions and how to set up, how to put it in your ear. I really love the AirTags because I can do a lot of, hand movement, and I don't have to worry about it falling out my ear like the other AirPods. Matter of fact, let me get my AirPods so we can just do the comparison. So these are my AirPods. I love Winnie the Pooh, so that's probably why I have this. But yes, this is the AirPods. So, case is definitely bigger. Again, this one feels a little cheaper than these, just as far as like the feel of the cases is concerned. But again, like I said, I'm gonna just get a case to go with this, but I'll definitely keep these around just in case, God forbid, but just in case anything happens to these, they malfunction, or I lose them. But let's just hope that doesn't happen. But you can get a warranty on these as well. But guys, this is the end of this unboxing. I'm super excited for these Beats Fit Pro. I don't know why I keep trying to say them AirPods. Like, if I say AirPods, you know what I mean. But I love these. The color is just so pretty. It's just like a nice statement. They fit so comfortably in my ear. I don't have to worry about them falling out. Unlike the AirPods, where they just doesn't give that much protection. But guys, thank you for tuning into this video. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description box below. I actually bought mine from Best Buy, but I'm sure you can probably get it from any other electronic place or on the Beats website, or maybe even Apple website. I'm not quite sure about that one, but I definitely will leave the link in the description box below from Best Buy. Again, guys, I thank you for tuning in to this video. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.